Guys, welcome back. We're looking at what is blockchain technology ultimate guide by Binance Academy Akahilz. Don't forget to stay subscribed for future updates. So chapters include blockchain 101, does the blockchain work, and more. So guys, we'll just be picking out some of the basic concepts of the blockchain. We'll also be dropping a link in the description box so you understand some of these. But these are major topics and contents that this article is covering. So the blockchain is a special type of database. So blockchain has certain unique properties. There are rules about how data can be added, and once the data has been added, it's virtually impossible to modify or delete. So to analyze, suppose that you have a spreadsheet with two columns. In the first cell of the first row, you put whatever data you want to hold. So those are some of the pegs you need to understand about what the blockchain is eventually. So this is a graphical representation of a database where each entry is linked to the last one. You have ABCAA to KP, Def, KP to CD, and more. So looking at row 4, our most recent identifier is TH. And remember how we said that you can't go back and remove or delete entries. That's because it will be easy for anyone to tell that it's been done, and they would be just ignored by attempted change. So looking at how blocks are connected, I said with two identifiers is a simplified analogy of how a blockchain uses hash functions. So hashing is the glue that holds blocks together. Consists of taking block data of any size, passing it through a mathematical function to produce an output, a hash that's always the same length. So there are lots of them, guys. You want to take notes of these. So blockchains and decentralization. So a standalone data structures, blockchains are only really useful in niche applications. Where things get interesting is when we use them as tools for strangers to coordinate it amongst themselves, combined with other technologies and some game theory. So blockchain can act as a distributed ledger that's controlled by no one. So what this means is that no one has the power to edit the entries outside of the rules of the system. And more so, in that sense, you could argue that the ledger is simultaneously owned by everyone, making it decentralized. Participants reach an agreement on what it looks like at a given point. Now we have the Byzantine general problems. So the real challenge, however, standing in the way of the system, like that described above, is called Byzantine general problem. Conceived in 1980, it describes a dilemma in which isolated participants must communicate to coordinate their actions. Specific dilemma involves a handful of army generals that surround the city, deciding whether to attack it. The generals can only communicate via messenger. These are some of the facts, guys. We have all generals are successful when attacking left. When some retreat while others attack, they're defeated by right. Blockchains need to be decentralized. What's a peer-to-peer network? The peer-to-peer network is in the P2P marketplace on Binance. The like I saying concepts, the blockchains. There are loads of articles here, guys. I won't be able to go through with all of them, but I'll be dropping a link in the description box, so we do hope you get informed on what the blockchain technology is. What the blockchain technology talks about and more. So we're going to head over to our conclusion and more. So guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. You should buy keys. Stay tuned for more, guys. Stay tuned for more. We'll be seeing you guys in our future upload. So in conclusion, here other open source protocols such as interplanetary file system are already paving the way for this new, more permanent distributed web. So while the IPFS is a protocol and a peer-to-peer network, it is not precisely a blockchain, but it appears some principles of blockchain technology to enhance security and efficiency. So peace out, guys. One love, should buy keys.